Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. Hello Sartek, welcome to the live stream. Hello everyone, am I audible to you? Just let me know. Hi, you're sharing Delta Exchange link in Telegram group. Okay, understood. Forgot. Oh, sorry. I don't know why is this not copying. That's what I was wondering what is happening. Thanks for highlighting this for me. Thanks guys. Okay, I think I've shared the correct link right now. Those who have quickly joined the live stream before other people come, support the channel by liking the video before I start the view. Now, first thing I would suggest you guys to do is quickly mark this zone. I'm saying this is the buyer's zone, but this buyer's is not that strong. Okay, buying is happening here, but I'm not sure if this is just a recovery or it is a trend continuation. Mostly my chances 60 to 70% expectation is this can not be a trend continuation. We will see, but we have identified the buyer zone already. Okay, so please mark this level. You can look at this range. The range is between 1,03,700 to 1,04,000. This 300 points range is our buying pressure zone. In the future, if market goes below this buyer's pressure zone, then bigger momentum towards the downside is possible. Okay, that is the view. Please keep that in mind. Good evening, Gautam sir. Anthony, Vinod. Okay, thanks for confirming I'm audible. How can we enter at the zone? Even I have made mark this zone. How can you enter means? See here only in the crypto community group. What time? When market came to the zone only, I said mark retest zone, right? Around 7:36 before the movement happens itself. So next one more update I had given. Now that update is this, saying the same thing. Don't know how strong these buyers are, but we are just going to trail our stop loss and hold. So people who have already entered the trade. Okay, let me show you this also, what I've told. Where is it? Okay. At this zone, you can expect up move. Not sure if the up move will be big of 1000 points plus or will it be a correction of 500 to 600 points plus. Be bit careful here. Okay. This is the zone. This is the same zone what you're seeing in the live stream. My update was somewhere at this time. So from here, how many points movement market has done? Close to 500 points. So whoever has entered this trade, when I gave this update in the crypto community group, all you have to do is, since it is not confirming that this is a retest zone, right? Don't know if market is going to retest up to this zone and correct or go up to this zone and correct. You have to just keep trailing your stop loss and going. See, that is one of the main reason why I say if you're part of crypto community group, quickly I'll be able to share the update and the views. You shared the view in Delta. What you said, I hope we can enter at this zone. Even I have marked this zone. Huh. Hoping is like, see, when I came to live stream, it is already between, right? If I'm very much confident that definitely these buyers will push the market, I would have told, okay, we will plan. But here 50% chance is there. That is why here when we enter, when I give the first update, now already you are at safe zone. If you keep your stop loss to cost wherever you entered, here if it continues, good, you will capture 1000 points plus. If and from here any reversal bearish trade you can confirm. In case it reverses also, what you will just give the brokerage and go. That is why you want you to can trail here also and hold the trade. Balaji sir, good evening. Hunger and Wonder, thank you for liking the video. Can you draw a trend line from 1 hour time frame? Which trend line? Can you tell me? From the bottom or top? I've gone to 1 hour. Okay. So that 1 hour time frame or 3 minutes time frame, please see this. This has been continuous resistance area. You can consider this. But since I'm looking at 3 minutes time frame, I'm giving importance to this trend line zone. Okay. If market comes out of this trend line, then I will consider this trend line zone. Okay. That is why I marked this zone as of now. And you are asking me to mark on a 1 hour time frame a trend line here. If you see, this trend line is acting as maybe very close channel pattern support kind of thing, you can say. But before coming to this channel pattern support itself, I've told that this can be the buyer's pressure zone. So where the trend line what you asked me to mark, have I marked it properly? Is this what you're referring to? Just let me know. Now whoever has entered the trade at this buyer's pressure zone, right? So for example, let's say what time I give this update? Around 7:35, saying that mark this level, from here market can move up 500 to 1000 points. So let's say based on the setup you have entered the trade. Okay, whoever has entered, I'm telling, let's say your stop loss is here. This can be your target area where you're going to book your profit. Okay, but the stop loss is not going to be here because still it is not confirmed that this is a upside move or it is a correction. What I said, you can expect 500 to 600 points move. From here only you see it is close to 500 points. Now finally you can try to book the target at this zone. You will keep trailing your stop loss from the lower end and holding on to the trade. Okay, since I came live stream at this zone, right, in between, how can I take the trade? That is why I did not take the trade here. So Dheeraj sir, I think I have marked as per your requirement. From bottom I have drawn trend line and top also trend line we have marked. Now how many of you entered the trade, this trade? Let me know in the comment section. I've already explained what you need to do right now. Don't need to keep the stop loss here. Stop loss keep reducing and going, right? No need to keep even cost to cost. Keep it somewhere here. Now again, once more I will repeat, I am not sure this is really a buyer's move or a retracement. Expectation was 500 points. If buyers are really strong, it can give up to 1000 points move. That first 500, 600 points move is done. Correction, retest, again correction can happen. You want to trail your stop loss, trail it and keep. If you want to book your profit here, you book it. Decide what you want to do. Okay, don't be in a confused situation. if you have seen nice profit here, you want to book, wait for the next trade. If you're holding, don't worry too much. Place your stop loss here, get off the stop loss here, keep it up to this level. From here, if it is continuing also, you'll keep trailing your stop loss and going. Okay. I missed the move. I did, sir. Not full quantity. Why, sir? Very clearly only I have discussed about the setup, right? How much points you can expect, at least so much you can expect. Bigger movements, 1,000 points. So at least before US market open like this, if you try to capture, that is where, right? Anyways, no problem. Who did not capture, don't worry, we will see. In the comment section, just let me know what is your view about the market. I'm just looking at a market in a different perspective. Okay, we will see any interesting setup, whatever it is. Now traders, I feel market is going whoever entered. I'm saying market is going as per this. Let's say this is the zone. Ideally, maybe market will not respect this. It will move up. If it gives a breakout, there any bearishness is there. Okay, this breakout candle will be your booking candle. But still, what you will do, you would have already trailed your stop loss up to this zone. From here only, if it corrects also, no problem. But to catch that extra movement, you will hold on to the trade until it gives a breakout here. Okay. Once it gives a breakout, our focus will be on this seller pressure zone. Okay. I've told this is the buyer's pressure zone. Market has moved up. Now here, I'm saying this is going to be a seller's pressure zone. From here only market can correct. It can give a breakout and correct. That is why trailing your stop loss up to this candle's low is very important. If it corrects, please get out from the trade. Don't hold on to the trade for longer duration. Because I'm not considering this as a upside move continuation. It is still a 50-50% chance trade. More clearly, I don't think I can say. Many times I have discussed. Now focus will mainly be on the next trading setup what I would have to give. See, what I am thinking is here this zone, market was taking this as support, moved up. Once this level is broken, what will happen? This area will become resistance. So from here market can correct. That is one point. Sometimes what will happen is market will directly break this level also. After breaking this level, many people will think, okay, let me take a bullish trade. When people think about taking bullish trade at this breakout, what might happen is the sellers who's on top during this, all these buyer stop loss he hunted. Okay, so fresh people he gave entry on the put option side, their stop loss hunted. Now here again fresh buyers attraction, after attraction correction. Okay, this breakout has to act the support what was acting before. I'll explain more cleanly. The support what was there in the future, what it should act as, it should act as resistance. Is market acting as resistance? No, right? Big candle breakout like that, if it is showing, people's main interest might be, okay, this will be a upside continuation, but at upside no stop loss is there. That is why reversal is what I am focusing about. Okay, now you understood why I marked that seller pressure zone. Any update on the US market? See traders, this target, whoever entered, already your target is achieved. I've told this is the seller's pressure zone. By now your target should have booked already. Okay, so this first trading setup is done. Now some of you might say I missed out on the opportunity. If that is the case, then I would highly recommend in future, if you don't have to miss regular updates what I share in the group, you can join our crypto community channel. How do you do that? You open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link. Whenever I look at important levels, I keep giving all the updates, and also I share my crypto strategy for people who without my help, right? Without me coming live independently, if you want to trade, crypto strategy based on EMA is available here. You can learn that strategy. That strategy can give very nice moments like this. If you want, today also you can see here, this is exactly our strategy formed from there. After people taking entry close to 1470 points, this is the zone where I said market can reverse. Has it reversed? Yes, it has reversed. Now traders, by the time I explain the setup here, sellers got activated. Traders, what to do? See, it is kind of difficult for me to explain the concept. Along with that, see, from that time I was saying this breakout will fail. It has happened. We should have entered somewhere here. What to do? Let me see. My PC specification. I use two devices. One is, this uh, small Mac desktop PC which comes, Mac Mini, right? In that I'm having that Pro variant, and I also have a laptop, basic iPad Air. That one, when I'm traveling for business meeting, I will use that. Wi-Fi connection is close to 100 Mbps. Hopefully traders, this first trade is over. Okay, this correction, after this correction, if you're still holding, if the market is moving up, okay, that's up to you. But as per my understanding, target was achieved, market gave a breakout time was your exit time. Okay, so here I am thinking of going for a bearish trade. Little market is holding on to this level, that's one concern. If I miss out, what to do? Okay, okay, I'll do one thing. Okay, this is not giving me confirmation, so let's say I take this. All right, my stop loss, copy it, go down. Let's see. I paste the stop loss here. All right, stop loss only initially I've given so much. That is not the goal. Stop loss, actually I have to trail. Now this buyer zone, I said no that time. It might be a correction, it might not be a trend movement. If that is the case, if market comes to this zone, it is not going to trap people at this buyer zone. It is going to trap people at this zone. Who's there here? Who's there here? To trap them, market can move towards the downside. Okay, so from the starting, if you're watching the live stream, clearly I have said buyer's pressure zone, from up to what level it can move, and from what level we can see a correction. So market is going as per the view. Hopefully we will see. What is the name of the indicator? Which indicator it is? There is no indicator here. Mm. See why I planned this trade a little at the zone. I wanted to plan here. That was the idea, but little lower I got. Only thing was here when I could see again sellers are pushing here, right? I thought, okay, if they continue, bigger movement, they will continue. They will not target here. They will have a bigger target. So that's okay. For that, let me take the risk I've told and I've taken. Are we having separate Telegram channel for crypto? Yes, sir. This is our separate Telegram channel for crypto. Here only crypto related updates I will share. Okay. And all the strategies, everything which I share here is absolutely free of cost. But you can join this group only through invite. Okay. Invite link, where is it? It is there in the description box below. You have to open account with Delta Exchange. After doing that, you have to message my team on this number saying that I have opened the account. Please give me access. They will tell you what to do. Once you complete that, you will be given the access to the group. Okay. This is what is about crypto. Everything is free, traders, in the crypto community group. To become a member, you have to just open account with Delta Exchange. So ideally, see my targets, stop loss, you can see what it is. Market, if it goes sideways, it is a problem. First we will plan this low as our target. Okay, so later we will see. Stop loss is something which we have to keep all the time. Quickly, if let's say my view is this is just a pullback before the fall, if this is directly an up move, I have to be ready to give a reasonable stop loss. So that I have decided. Target, we will see. This can be the target, or continuation if it happens, that level can be the target. It all depends on, target can be changed based on market sentiment. Stop loss cannot be done, right? Stop loss has to be done based on our risk capacity. I'm new to Delta Exchange. Can you please tell me how to buy? Are we going to buy in options or futures? For everyone, my suggestion will be only to look at the futures market. Don't look at options market right now. The leverage, the benefit, what you're getting for trading in futures market with less capital only, you can do that. So please completely avoid option tradings, because you keep, like Indian market, you cannot say this price I will enter, this price I'll place my stop loss, I will sell options, and I will move out, right? Anytime within a span of, let's say, 1 hour, you can expect 1000 2000 points move. You'll get into trouble, traders. So this is our second trade. First setup already done here. I would highly recommend people to join the crypto community group and join the live stream bit early, right? So that in our free Telegram group also, when I'm coming live, I'm letting you guys know. So quickly, to grab the opportunity or join the live stream quickly, please ensure you join the free Telegram channel and crypto community group. Waiting for second video Tamil crypto tutorial. I will do, sir. I will do. I'll plan for this weekend. Hmm? Now, people might ask, sir, why haven't you trailed your stop loss? Only reason is because from here, if market corrects up to this zone, it might correct, and then again it can fall. If I trail my stop loss here from this zone, if market is making a bigger correction, I'll miss out on the opportunity. So what if market hits my stop loss? I'll give that and go, because I know this is the stop loss what I've decided to give. So no problem there. Okay. Market, is it at 618 level support? Yeah, it is at 618 level support. It's okay, traders, no problem. Little differently we have to think about crypto market. So that is what I'm doing right now. Let us see if it reverses also. How many points from the time? Little delay we did off in the entry, or else this would have been 500 points already. Stop loss also would have trailed off to cost. That is 500 points from our entry. It is close to 370 points. We will see, traders. Possible to start live by 7 or 7:30. That is what I am thinking also to do. Afternoon one session, night one session. Just that you see, now I have this routine of doing this, right? If I start this routine, afternoon one session, evening one session, February I'll have some problem. February from 13th to I think around 21st or 22nd, I don't know the exact date, I will not be in India. I'm traveling to Singapore. So that time doing live stream will be difficult for me, right? Because of that only, again there will be a gap of what I can do, right? Market did not respect 618 level and all. Now simply what I will do is, see, market has corrected nicely, right? Why I should take too much tension now? I'll keep off my stop loss here. Okay. Why I'm keeping this is because if market corrects from here, still I will, my first trade would be done. Later when it is coming down, again one more opportunity I will get to capture. Okay. This is the only reason. From here only, if it is continuing, good only for me. So this just became a risk-free trade for us. Satek sir, I will try my best, okay? I will try my best to come live. Only thing is, whatever I do, I want to do it as a continuous process. But see, again, this buyer's pressure zone. Solidly, if it breaks, okay. Or else from here again, one correction means simply we have to hold on, right? So I've got off my stop loss till here. We will see. Now, nothing to lose in this trade. From stop loss from top, we have got it till here. So nothing to lose. If it continues, we will just hold on, take it forward. Only problem is, for me, while explaining all of these things here, right, I missed my entry here. There only I would have entered of all the full quantity. That opportunity I did not get. What to do? I'll get my stop loss up to here. Okay. If it hits, no problem. Continuation means we will capture. Almost very close to the target. Why to give so much stop loss? Seller's pressure is happening means let it happen. We will just keep trailing and going. Added funds, it is not reflecting. Please reach out to Delta Exchange team support. Usually that should not happen. Now, why? Ideally, if I had thought these buyers will re-enter, right, I would have exited, but I don't think these buyers will re-enter. Okay, like I said, this is just a correction. Every downside move, it will lead to continuation only. Okay, so this first target achieved, traders, close to 700 points. Who wants to exit, you can exit. Who wants to trail, you can trail and go. I feel this will continue, that's it. To capture little more movement, what we have to give little profits we have to lose. Losing the profits, what is there? We will lose. Already we have made decent profit here. Okay, now around $40 or something I've got profit in this trade. Now this setup is over, this target is done. In the comment section let me know who and all took the trade along with me. Now this buying zone, I don't think market will respect. I think it will fall. That's why I'm not taking any reversal setup in this buying zone. All right, in the comment section you guys please tell me, did you take the second trade? I entered and trailed SL. Okay, my trailing SL got hit here. We captured around 700 points in this trade. We'll see what is the next trade, what is the next opportunity. Earlier I was saying this is the retest zone, right? From here market has corrected. Little less confidence only I have. I'm not saying market will definitely not move from here. Little less confidence I'm having to enter a trade here right now. This time if market goes off here, then this level is nothing. It will go up to this level. Same way from this level, if this is just a correction and market moves down, market this level it will not respect. Bigger move it will give. I took sir with 25 quantity. Okay, book 2k profit. Okay, I entered an exit target. Okay, I missed it. Why sir? Why did you miss? Okay, no problem. We will see next trade anything we get. Okay. Any nice setup if we get. If market really respects the support, no, it will not come up to this. It will go off up to the upper zone. I don't think it will go up. Still that chances, I'm seeing it as pretty low. That is why at the support I'm not entering any buy trade. I'm just thinking let me wait for some time. Let market decide what it wants to do. Based on that I will see. More liquidity is creating here. If it creates, gives a breakdown, one more opportunity we will see. Okay, on the downside. Why I trail my stop? Usually I don't trail my stop loss too much, right? But why did I trail now? Because I feel okay. Again, if market corrects, why we need to worry so much? We'll finish the first trade and focus on the second trade. Now we will see. What I'm thinking of is one more entry. I've taken the entry, traders. Okay, if this breaks, continuation can happen. For that I am anyways the capital what is there I will, if you want you can wait until the breakdown and later if you want you can plan, that's entirely up to you. I've placed my stop loss little above here. I will get off that stop loss lower, not to worry. but just letting you know. As of now, it is just not yet consolidated. It's forming double bottom, it can come, it can go up, all those things are there. But for this risk, what I'm taking, if the market goes down, very big target I will get. Okay, the target can be, let's short position. This is the entry level. This is the stop loss level. Hopefully this doesn't become double bottom. You guys can wait for some more time. Let me switch to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so here this can be the first target, this area can be the second target. First target, after it achieving, continuation is what I will focus on. So since I have an opportunity to capture this much big target, that is the only reason I have entered. But you can wait for some more time, because it is forming W pattern here and all those things. Later if it gives a breakdown, we will see. To be on a safer side, I had to give the stop loss up to this zone and all. Then why should I give such a big stop loss? The same old trade only I could have held on, right? So did not make sense. So stop loss I've just given somewhere here. We will see if this works out. Or again, future when it gives a breakdown, one more setup I will focus on. Okay. Looks like it will hit the stop loss. Okay, I've taken this stop loss. No problem. I will wait for some more time. One more correction zone or anything which is there, I will see. And then I will plan my next entry. So in total 3 setups I have discussed already. Out of 3 setups, one setup has converted to failure. One more I'm focusing more on the bearish side itself. We will see if that works out. Only thing is this buyer's pressure zone. Little waiting for that and then entering could have made more sense. Anyways, right time, right thing and all, every time we cannot plan. So we'll see. Anything interesting? Now, what do you think, traders? From here, you think the market will continually move towards the upside or will it move downside? What is your view? Nasdaq is around 1.2%, S&P 500 around 0.5%, Dow Jones is around 0.2326%. Your view is upside. Okay. Buyer's zone is there. What to do? More confidence will be below the buying pressure zone. We'll see any rejection we get from this zone again, from here, from this zone, any bearish setup we can focus on. So for this trade, if I choose short position, just look, see if market goes above this, definitely upside move will continue. Then what is the best thing? One more attempt on the bearish side I have to do. I'm doing that. I'm taking the risk. So I'll place my stop loss here. Those who think, okay, from here market will move towards the upside, you need not focus on bullish trade. Okay. So here I'm going to see, as long as market doesn't break this level, I'm not confident on the call option side. So some pressure when I could see at this zone, I've taken the bearish trade. Okay. Quickly, if it comes off here, I will trail off the stop loss. Now, looking at this move, if my view was kind of okay, let's say I'm bullish, right? Until this level breaks, I will not at all focus on call option trade. Okay. Here, sellers pressure started, correction. Since okay, market has not broken this buyer pressure zone, from here if it corrects, okay, at this level it can target. First time I trail my stop loss from upper level to up to this level, gave that small stop loss. Second time I tried here, will sellers push? They did not. From here if they push, this time if they give a bigger move, I'm happy with that. See, all the trades what you take, it has to be small stop loss, bigger target, or the targets what you uh, this one place, or you have to keep trailing your stop loss and coming. So like that, when you plan, things can be more this one better for you. Now 100% I'm not sure if market will break this level, right? It can correct here, again it can reverse, but this is the risk what I'm ready to take. Whenever I'm ready to take the risk, it is under my control, I will take it. For that I will wait for bigger targets, right? This can be ideally the first target for me. Now whoever is having a bullish view about the market, then you have to wait for an opportunity, right? Maybe you can see what market is doing, anything at this zone, is it reversing, all right, or is it breaking the upper zone? Then you can plan for buy trade. But now for me, my focus was on sell trade. Based on that, I've got an entry here, I've taken this. Whoever is worried, who's entered along with me, if you're worried with the setup, our entry is kind of decent. Around 400 points movement we have already captured. You want to book, you want to trail, please do that. That's up to you. Stop loss not visible. Okay. See. Rohit sir is saying it will go down. Okay. So do you have any plans for a webinar or live classes for futures or for Indian market and crypto market for the year 2025? Yeah, I'm planning a live this one webinar. But I am thinking in this crypto market, whatever doubts you guys have, you are already asking me here. So what differently will I cover in the webinar? I am thinking. Once the new strategy is ready, right? That time if I am explaining these things for you, in webinar I can teach things like that. Yeah, concept will be new. Uh, okay. Now traders, if you see, our setup is not given any entry. Ideally it should, from the zone it has to give us entry, but it is also saying market is bearish right now. That is okay, nothing big there. Entry it is not given, it is just telling the sentiment. You want to learn that strategy, you can do that. You can see whenever that strategy works, 50-60% of the time it works, it can give you big targets. You just have to mark all of these levels. You need to follow everything what is explained in this video, and whenever setup is you get, without thinking too much, you need to plan, right? You can practice and see, and then you can plan. Around 77 people watching the live stream, only 29 likes. Come on traders, please support the channel by liking the video. It motivates me to make regular videos like this. After liking the live stream, please come to the comment section and mention your name. We will announce your name. Top 5 names, okay? Now traders, what is your observation? I'll tell you what my observation is. I told this is the seller's pressure zone, right? Market is continuously falling from here. This is buying pressure zone, I'm saying. Market is reversing from here. That means what is happening? Crypto market is become sideways, right? As long as buyer seller's pressure zone breaks, pressure zone breaks, or buyer's pressure zone breaks, bigger movement before creating market can trouble us. Okay, so we need to be prepared for it. Anyone who's planning, okay, fresh trade, wait for market to go out of the seller pressure zone to look for bullish trade. Let it go below the buyer pressure zone for looking for bearish trade, right? So you can do that. Lal Nolak, welcome to the live stream. Ilan sir, thank you so much. Shubha ma'am, thank you so much for continuously supporting the channel. Sir, what is the reason for you to focus more in this one, crypto market, than Indian market? No, I'm not focusing more on a crypto market. I'm focusing on Indian market also. You see from here, morning, how many updates I have shared, how many views I have shared, right? Today I took my stop loss, right? Today the stop loss, where is it? The stop loss I took. Expectation was market will hold on to this range. ICICI Bank news was there. So I said, what did I say here? If big red candle forms, it will be more difficult. I would rather book my loss and exit. After I exit, only bigger movement in Bank Nifty came. So every time my plan is to control the risk. Maybe people are expecting the spike like where is that one more update? People might be waiting for results of HDFC Bank, I guess. So once HDFC Bank results came, what happened? Continuous spike in the market, right? That is what earlier also I had said. That spike came, but I did not participate. And also I had said, yesterday, same situation in Nifty, days high resistance and Bank Nifty near selling pressure zone, big correction yesterday. But I expect opposite to happen. It will be sideways to bullish from here. I said after 2:30, right? So after that you can see market broke the day's high only and moved up. See, there are certain rules which I stick to. No too much trade. Multiple trades I will not be doing in Indian market. But while coming to crypto market, what I did, I already allocated some budget, right? So I'm going to bring in so much money. I'm going to practice for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. I'm going to use the same concept what I'm using in Nifty and Bank Nifty here. But that concept, I know small changes has to be done. I wanted to document it. To document what I'm doing, I'm coming live stream only because there is no SEBI restriction for me. Live stream I can do in BTC. So I'm coming to this live stream. I'm giving all the updates. I'm taking it there. So here along with me, you're also seeing what kind of progress. I think around 39 live streams I have done. 39 to 40 live stream only related to BTC trading, right? So in all the live stream you see, all you calculate how many days, how market view has gone. You will only get an idea along with me. If you are interested, maybe 1 or 2 points you can learn from me also. I trailed and SL hit. Okay. So I just need 20 to 30 points in Indian market. Is that tough to make this? 20, 30 points. Option selling you do, sir. You can get. But if you say every day I want 20, 30 points, it will be a problem. Let's say today out of 20 trading days, 10 trades you end up in loss. Okay. Remaining 10 days, let's say 5 days you get 30 points that you want. That will manage with this loss what you made, and remaining 5 you would have captured around 70, 80 points. To capture that you have to hold the trade, right? Only if you hold you will get that moment. So that will be your final profit. This money what you make 30 points and all, it will go off here. So that is something that you need to consider and focus about. Traders just holding on near the seller zone and buyer zone. What to do? Now fresh entries you guys wait. Okay, mark the sellers and buyer pressure zone. If you're planning for, let's say here, I want to take a bearish trade, small stop loss, you will look for opportunity, you'll keep trailing and going, right? Buyer zone. But small moment when you try to capture and go, right, sometime big moment will come. To capture that big moment only I'm waiting. I'm not planning to try to capture moment at the zone. To capture big moment, definitely small stop loss I have to give. Sir, I was wondering if you create any YouTube video explaining how to use Delta Exchange. I downloaded the app earlier today. Sir, already video is there on YouTube. Just go to our channel and there you can find the video, right? It's around 30 minutes video, how to place stop loss, how to place target, how to, in which market you have to trade, in which crypto you have to trade, everything I have explained in that video, right? So if you go and check out that video, you will get more clarity. If you want, I'll give you the link right away. After this live stream, you go and check that video. I think this is the video link. Okay, go and check out the video. You will get to know. This market again. I'm in the recovery phase, so I need to make some more points. But if I hold, I'm little nervous. That's the. See, I'm telling you, right? In stock market, if you go to recover the loss that you make, it is difficult. Each trade is unique. Forget about the previous trade. If you keep thinking, okay, last month I made so much loss that I have to recover, no. You learn from that last month mistake, saying that these are the mistake I did last month. This month I will not do. Goal is not to recover the loss. It is to build a better style of trading. Correct your mistake. That mistakes, if you are correcting, forget about recovering the old loss. You just focus on the current trade which you're taking. In that you should not be doing any kind of mistake. Continuously 1 month mistake is happening means sit, evaluate, see what has to be done, any tweaks you have to do the tweaks and then evaluate. So that doesn't work, traders. You have to let the past go. Loss is what went, it has to go out of your head. Please come live in India market. Where are they allowing traders? If I come live, only view I can share. Where can I take the trade? I know channel will grow and all those things and all if I sit in live for 5 hours. If I sit in live in for 5 hours, when should I take my trade, you tell me? Karthikeyan, thanks. Hope. Continuous advertisement. Only when you go out of the video, you come back, you will get advertisement. That is how live works. Are you going back and coming back to the channel? Just check that once. If that is not the case, copy this link and just download Brave. This is a browser, okay? In this, when you watch my YouTube video, you will not get any ads, okay? Zero ads. You can try that. Maybe try Brave browser, sir. Traders, this is coming towards the upside, but still this entire zone is seller's pressure zone, right? So if it sustains above this zone, only then bullish continuation, or else it will hit my stop loss, give a breakout, and then it will fail. So that issue is there. What to do? What is happening? Didn't it take the stop loss? Didn't the stop loss get triggered? Since I put the price, okay. So the stop loss has got triggered. Still in the seller's pressure zone. Again, if it is correcting, one more problem. Only thing is, traders, this bigger move right below the zone I'm trying to capture, I'm not getting that today. Big stop loss I might have to give. That is something which I'm not preferring to do. What is US market doing? US market is still kind of flat to positive only. Let me see if there is any other opportunity. There's a seller's pressure zone, okay? If market comes out of this zone, we will see what to do. Let me switch to 1 minute. What is the length of this candle? 270 to 80 points. Okay. 270 to 80. Let me quickly see. Noted is here again. The seller, if he re-enters, right, it is a problem for me only. Right now I cannot enter by trade. What to do? It has to go little above. Hmm. See, little hesitant to take the buy trade only because still I'm not confident how strong these sellers are, right? If these sellers are strong, definitely they will push the market uh, nicely towards the downside. So I cannot enter buy trade at the current zone because this breakout, everybody is seeing this breakout. Directly it has given a breakout. Doesn't make sense. If I can, what if I short trade? What if I focus on the short trade? Very small stop loss, very small. I'm still thinking, traders. Let me let you know in case if it corrects so much also, it's a decent target for me. See, still these sellers have not given up, right? I cannot look for buying trade. Breakout. This breakout, if it fails, then again market can move up to this zone. So why should I take a buy trade is what I'm thinking. See, based on my logic, I feel like taking right now. If I miss out lower end, I will get the setup. Stop loss for this trade is small traders. I'm going to take this, okay? I'm not going to give a bigger stop loss for this trade. Ideally, if almost coming close to 1 hour live stream, right? If I miss out on this opportunity, again, if I keep sitting for the next opportunity, I will not get. Okay. 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 Now, no need to hesitate. Just trail the stop loss because this should be the seller's pressure zone. How much ever risk I want to reduce, I'll keep reducing and going. This is what one has to two risk reward. Okay. Hmm. Little okay. Hmm. Let it do what it wants to do. I'm just going as per this. Stop loss got it here, right? So nothing to worry. I'll get my stop loss here now. Cost to cost. After this, nothing to worry. Entry and stop loss became the same. Okay. Get my stop loss here. So everything I make after this is profit. Okay. All right. My target achieved here. You entered along with me. You want to exit. Up to you. Exit. I'll just tail and go. Sir, below 2. Okay. See this target already done. 1:2 target 500 points. Right. I don't know where's my entry. 500 points done already. This was the target. You guys want to book, you book. It's up to you. Okay. I'm just seeing is it okay for me to continue. Exact target hit, but I expect bigger move. Just because I'm saying I expect bigger move, if you want to exit, that is up to you. Okay, that's your decision. Market is giving you a lot of opportunities to exit. Again it has come to the target level. Okay, it has broken the target. Continuation. So by now, whoever is worried about the trade, you would have already made the profit. If you are exiting, you exit. Okay, I hope it is respecting the trend line. That's what, if trend line, if it reaches no, see what will happen is, here market gave a breakout, it attracted people. Okay, these sellers, this trend line, what many people are saying, first thing is market has to confuse people here, right? It gave a breakout, attracted buyers. Now from here, if it starts moving up, what will happen is, where is this? See, from here, if market moves up, if this trend line is the resistance, here everybody will be thinking of taking bearish trade only. Buyers will not enter. So before that only, one bearish trade market can do if these sellers are confident. This target is achieved. Now it is reversing. I'm looking for something else in this market. If I'm giving that small stop loss, whatever it is, that's my this one. But whoever booked the profit with the logic at this zone, good for you. 500 points. Okay, now trailing stop loss hit, but it is my profit, right? Net to net brokerage got covered here at this moment. Whoever captured the moment, good. You are unable to open Delta account. What error message are you getting, sir? Please see if your bank account details and the details in your Aadhaar card and other details which you're giving, is it correct or not? Okay, about this trade, how many people booked the profit when I said? Now again market is recovering. It's just trapping people. Trailed and booked, sir. Booked profit, sir. Booked loss. Holding old trade only, not new. What is the old trade? Which old trade? The previous bearish trade. I don't know what to say. Here we took time, we decided everything. I'm saying up to this zone market can come around 500 points. You want to book, your book means. See, repeatedly, if I keep saying also, I will have different calculation of why I'm holding, right? But you see, eventually, if I'm very, very confident what I will do, I'll still keep the stop loss here. I will not get it too low. Only thing is trend I wanted to, if it continues, I wanted to hold. That is what I wanted to do. So I did not want to give too much risk also. Trailing the stop loss, you guys would have made more profit. Okay, I made around just 100 points more something I would have captured. I said stop loss around 1,05,200. Okay, okay, your stop loss is here. All right, if that is the case, if you have not taken any trade, no problem. Market is still at seller's pressure zone. We will see. It should break this zone, right, for you to take the next, to get little more. But net to net, you're in profit, right? All right, at least 4 opportunities today. Whichever I have given the risk reward for you guys, based on that, 3 targets have been achieved. 3 or how much? I think 3 out of 4 trades. One more now is market. This market is playing no. The sellers pressure zone, buyers pressure zone. What to do? Little shall we ignore? Can we ignore this? More it hold. Here it did not wanted to give opportunity for sellers. Weak buyers it wanted to remove. Right? Sir who's saying that I have kept my stop loss near this one. I don't think so much stop loss you have to give. Okay. If it is as per your risk capacity, you see. But in case here, if it forms a W pattern and breaks this level, this trend line and all, it might hold. People will enter again upside move. Okay. Only if it reverses, I'm saying. If it comes to this zone again, out of the seller's pressure zone. If it is continuing, you want to hold means you do that. That's up to you. Sometimes what will happen is here you can see in Nifty, Bank Nifty and all, 1 trade per day rule I follow. But here even though I'm keeping budget within that 1 hour time frame, within 1 hour, I'm taking so many trades. So sometimes next day when I go to Nifty, Bank Nifty, it becomes a lot tempting for me to, take trades there also, like that. One more trade, one more trade. Like that is something even I have to get into control. In crypto market on purpose only I'm taking more trades because the learning purpose is required. Every setup without putting our money there, how the setup works, it is difficult for us to get a hang of it, right? So that is one thing. Sellers are continuously putting pressure in the market right now. Just don't want it to be over trading traders. Selling side booming. It is booming. It is just what gone little below our area, target area. Target hit, recovery, again it has come here. See, no problem in taking the trade. The problem is where is the market right now? Between the seller zone and between the buyer zone. Hmm? Here, what to do? At the upper level, like let's say we have entered, we booked our profit. Okay, if we had not reached the stop loss, market would have gone. Means at the upper zone we have entered. As long as market continues, we can hold. Between where to enter the trade? You're understanding, right? Just because market is moving like this, even I have bearish view only. But just because market is moving like this, in between I cannot take random trades because higher premium I'm giving in entry. Many are taking trades based in live and they are just sharing only the chart. Like that you can try for Indian market. I think so. Okay, but if I keep sitting and sharing that, when will I take my trades? That is the problem, right? Here when if I'm sitting live and explaining all the concept, put the risk reward calculator, everything I'll do. Okay, no problem. After that, where will I take my trade? Can we wait for triple bottom? See traders, from the time I've come live stream, my view has been bearish, right? First I said this is the buyer's pressure zone at the upper level. market can move towards the downside. This move we captured. Here, since I had bearish view, little retest I will plan, I said, but that one failed. Again, market went to seller's pressure zone. Here we took a bearish trade. Market went up to this zone, gave some profit. Since we trailed our stop loss, it hit the stop loss and it is continuing. So it is between the buyers and sellers pressure zone, and more time the seller zone is tested, breaking that level is high and breaking this lower level is high, right? So at triple bottom, when you're planning for your trade, that means you are increasing the chances of you making loss. First time okay, second time okay, third time, fourth time, it becomes a weak zone. Okay, hope you're getting clarity about this. Even Kumar sir, that message was for you. Higher high formation, I can see that. Low high high low high high, or from upper end you see high low lower high lower low. That is what, no, here upper higher high, here lower low. What to do? Both the side movement is there. People who are part of private telegram group, good, because this opportunity you would have been able to capture, right? The first time I had discussed about this buyer's pressure zone. After our strategy worked here, after the strategy, this was the market retest zone. From this zone you can expect up move 500 to 1000 points. So after that only we came live. Don't know how strong these buyers are, just trail and hold. Whoever held up to this zone, they would have booked by the time I came live stream. In the live stream from the upper zone, I planned the bearish trade here. So 2 setups they would have got. Even if you are interested to join the group, open account with Delta Exchange. Link is there in the description box below. What is happening in the market is, it is within a range, right? In this range, market more it comes to the downside, I will expect continuation only based on my mindset. Okay, I'm not looking for reversal. If it just by chance without coming to the zone only, if it corrects at the upper zone, I will look for continuation. The zone, within the zone, in between especially, I don't want to plan for any trade. Okay, so this is what I am thinking at this point of time. Even though it was a right decision for us to plan a bearish trade here, people would have booked profit. My trailing stop loss hit, then market continued. How much movement is this close to? This was close to, let's say, 900 to 1000 points. Some people keep asking me, sir, why you don't trail stop loss? Only certain situation I will trail, because here 50-50 chance was there. That's why I trail my stop loss, or else I would have held on to it. So that is about it. What to do? Like a 1 hour 20 minutes live stream. You trade along with us, and that will be great. If I trade along with you, in Indian market they don't allow that rate. So this is what channel means. See, channel can be two ways, right? This is an upside channel where market is forming higher lows and higher highs. This can be a downward channel. Market is forming lower highs and lower lows. So this is upside channel. This is downside channel. What market is currently doing is not up, not down. It is sideways. Since BTC is very volatile, the sideways move also is looking like a trend for you. That's it. Okay. Because the sideways move is what? Close to 1200 points. Here it is close to 1300 points. So the sideways only is looking like a channel pattern for you guys, but this is not a channel. This is a sideways market. That means indecision between the buyers. Buyers are putting pressure, sellers are putting pressure. So market is yet to decide the direction. All right. But many are doing Anna, is it? See, our duty is to follow the guidelines. Following that is very important. Today's first time, no one will get to know this is going to be the support, right? We identified this. Second time, when market comes here, everyone knows this is the support. So it can work first time, second time. From third time, chances will be just, let's say, around 30% for this to be successful. But fourth time, fifth time and all, only 10% chance of market respecting the support. Okay. So that is how you need to see. Same thing about the resistance zone also. More time market tests that level, the chances of breaking that level is high. Focus on that setup. Hmm? If it breaks the seller zone, then it can go up to this area, 1,05,000. If it holds on to this range, consolidates exactly near this range, then it can go up to 1,06,000. All right. So that is the potential on the upside. Downside, I have already discussed. Continuously respecting this area will be the first target. It might give the breakdown, or it might come to trendline support, retest, come to this zone, hold on to this zone, give a breakdown. So next, this area, 1,02,000. So that is the range towards the downside and upside. Anyways, it is just a symmetric pattern range market is trading at. Shubha ma'am, you were asking me about is it a channel pattern? No, the zone is not channel pattern, but this you can see. But here it is converting to not channel. Can you guys see? From narrow range, it is becoming wide range. So this is a rising wedge, bullish setup. Okay. Usually the how much market is going to respect this, I don't know. But from here range is narrow, here range is big. So buyers might get activated. So randomly we cannot take bearish trade. So next time when market comes to the zone, resistance zone, see if it holds on and gives a breakout. That you can focus on, right? Shubha ma'am, if you're there on the live stream, just let me know. You understood, right? This is just a range status. Too much time we cannot spend here. Rather, what we will do, I will share the update in our crypto community group. If you're interested, you can open account with Delta Exchange and join. So more than 1 hour, 20 minutes, 25 minutes live stream done. Sellers zone, buyer zone, within this range better you avoid. More market test this level, chances of breaking this is high. More it is testing the upper level, breaking that level is high. So at the upper zone, look for opportunity towards the upside for trend continuation. Lower end, look for trend continuation. But sometime back I said, right, market from the upper, it is forming, sorry, from the upper end, it is forming a rising wedge pattern like this. From narrow, it is becoming broad. So if buyers are holding on to this level, they can push it towards the upside. So if you are confident about put after this upper range breakout, focus on bullish trade. I could see a number of people doing live trade in Indian market. Market analysis is very good. Sir, you please see SEBI rules. Okay, in that SEBI rules, it is clearly mentioned people who uh, are going to speak about, okay, this is the setup, this is the view, things like that. Okay, in the live market, they should not be personally taking trades. If others are doing, not doing, I don't know about that. But the rules is we should not be taking trades. Karthikeyan sir, okay? That is the issue. Anyways, I've shared the view. Further update in the group I will share. Okay. Thank you so much, traders. Between the zone, market is indecision. Better you can wait. All right. Uh, so okay, traders. Thanks for participating in the live stream. Good night. God bless you. After opening account with Delta Exchange, reach out to this number. My team will help you out with the access to the crypto community group. All right. Good night. God bless you. Bye bye.